Yeah, so those are people, and if they're, sometimes they're licensed and they do that in our industry, and then the fraud is up on the rise right now. So wire
Hmm.
fraud that happens a lot. So definitely be very careful when you're doing emails and you're transferring wires, and verify like that number. Call them up, make sure it's the same number, and then be very uh, trust but verify. You just have to go ahead and do that when you're doing transactions, because there's a lot of fraud in today's world. I get so many text messages now saying, "Hey, you got a delivery from USPS. Here's a tracking code," and you're all like, "Wait a minute, I
Oh,
don't have
I
anything."
got those. I get
Yeah.
those too.
So
Yeah.
when that happens, it usually means that your information's out there on the internet, and they're just trying to go ahead and bait you, because
Great.
there's a lot of people that, they're not familiar with today's new criminal, which is fraud, and you know, getting your information, because our data definitely is very important to a lot of people, especially if they're going to use it for buying big ticket items and not pay, and then all of a sudden we get left with the bad credit, having to fix that.
Yes, exactly.